Imagine you had a virtual clone of yourself that looks exactly like you and knew everything about you, your daily routine, your habits, and all of the things. So, if you skip the meals, it gets weaker. If you skip the exercise, it warns you. It knows everything about you, and if you are about to fall sick, then it tells you in advance. That's the digital twin, a virtual representation of real world objects or systems. What if I tell you that industries do this to build factories, cars, or even entire cities? So, let's see what digital twin is. It is a virtual representation of real-world objects or system that collect real-time data and helps in predicting problems before they actually happen. So, a digital twin is made when we combine a real-world object, a data connection. Data connection means it is like having a Wi-Fi connection or installed IoT devices like sensors, temperature sensors, and many more devices. And a virtual representation, it means a virtual copy of the real world thing. For example, there is a real world object and the virtual representation of that real world thing inside our computer that help us to monitor, understand, and even predict problems before they happens. So all of these makes a digital twin. Now let's understand the digital twin using an example how it can help us. Let's say we are having, oh, there is no need of saying say, we are having a school, and so this is a real world object, and let's say we have installed IoT devices like cameras, sensors, and temperature sensors, also microphones, and many more devices. And we also have a virtual copy of our school inside our computer, so there is no need of roaming in the whole school to see, oh, this is happening and that is happening. But how it can help us, let me tell you more. Let's say sometimes it becomes difficult to roam in the whole school to check if the extra lights are on. If there are some issues, the virtual representation, the digital twin will tell you, will send you alerts that there are extra lights switched on, or there is some wiring issue that needs to be resolved, because if not resolved, it will cause a big problem in a few days. It also give alerts in your mobile phones also. As we can see here, extra lights are switched on, maybe wiring issue detected, so we can easily detect them, and we can easily, now we can turn off the lights using IoT devices or manually. So after switching off all the lights, all our issues is solved and we are happy. Next is advantages. Now let's see how digital twin is helping the entire world, how different companies are using the digital twin. So the very first is predictive maintenance. As we know, it predicts the failures of systems or machines before they are about to happen, or we can easily identify that this system needs a service, neither it will create a big issue later. Rolls-Royce uses digital twin for aircraft engines to predict problems. Similarly, improved product design. We can easily compare two designs. We can easily make a virtual copy instead of manufacturing them in reality. And after designing them, we get to know, oh, this is not up to the mark. So the engineers can easily create better designs. Similarly, enhanced manufacturing. We can easily compare two different things, and whichever performs the best is selected for manufacturing. It also saves a lot of money. It saves time. We can also design an entire city that is pollution free, how roads will be designed, how the cars will go. We can design every single thing using digital twin. And the most important feature, personalized healthcare. Do you know Philips uses digital twin of human heart? No. Yes, it uses. which simulates surgeries. New doctors can also practice on the virtual hearts instead of the real hearts, and they can also try new things on the virtual representation of the real human heart, and it will save a lots of life, and new experiments can be made on that virtual copy. So this was all about digital twin from the my side, but it is just beginning and its future is vast. So this was all about it. Thank you.